Hey everybody, amprepairguide.com is my website. Phone number is 203-892-4119. So, 811, Al-811 Ameritron, getting a brand new set of Pentalab tubes, 572s. I will not work on one unless you're willing to upgrade. I'm a dealer, so you get them at cost. I make nothing. So I'm going to go through it. It needs the diodes installed for the biasing. Makes the amp more stable. Needs the bias modification. Gas discharge tubes. You can't tell if it has metal oxide varistors. If it does, I will remove them. He wants me to do the 10 meter mod. Need to change out the resistors, the equalization resistors. Check the meter protection diode. Clean the rotary switches. Check the sockets, make sure the clips are okay. And it needs new So-239s. Okay, so I'm going to get to work. I will see you guys in a bit. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811. Tested full output on all bands. Got a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. So I'll go over everything I did. Changed the bleeder/equalization resistors. Did the bias modification. Changed the meter protection diode. Let me get my pointer. Added gas discharge tubes down there. Changed the So-239 connectors. Tighten up on a bunch of hardware. The this meter, the high voltage / plate current meter lead was not soldered at all. Had no solder on it, so it's not like it was a cold solder joint or anything. They just forgot to solder it. So that's all set. And I added the diodes back there, so that's good. I always cut the trace, add them, and I put some silicone between them. They're very sturdy, but if this thing were ever shipped, in case it's vibrating, just to give it a little bit extra support. The diode string. So that's about it. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you need an amplifier repaired, please feel free to give me a call. Always check when you get an amplifier. Always make sure it has the right size fuses in it. And these connectors were sourced from the So-239s were sourced from Max Gain Systems. This is my second amp today. I got up early. I'm tired. Now I have to do some outside yard work. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. 73. See you guys soon.